Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, here on a casual Friday to show you a quick video on how to remove and reinstall the lumbar on a Steelcase Amia chair. So let's get started. Awesome, so the first thing we're going to be doing is going to be removing the back pad. We do have another video showing a little bit closer how to do this, but it's real quick and easy on this one. We're not even going to remove the bottom, we're just going to pull up on the back. And you see you got to pull up quite a ways on the Amia. It's just going to fall forward. It's still attached on the bottom, so no worries about that. Once that's out, you'll see that this is the actual lumbar mechanism. If you kind of slide it down and just pull outwards, it's going to come right out. So now that we have it out, we're going to put it back in. So you can see on both sides, these are what you're aiming for. It's just going to fall right into place. You can see it's already going to start going up and down. The back pad's actually what's holding this in place, so no need to install anything there. To install the back pad, we do need to get these clips on the chair pad over the clips that you see here on the back frame of the chair. And so to do that, we're going to grab and we're just going to pull over to make sure that those are clipped into place, providing some pressure, making sure we're good to go. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful, and if you did, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons below. It really helps us out. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our Facebook page, crandalloffice.com. We're available everywhere, always eager to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.